the speed app, and notes were very well prepared, and his questions were beautifully framed, and his videos and explanations are very wonderful for his wonderful teaching videos and question whatever the speed app has provided.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of SPEED to Dr. Vipin Kushwaha for scoring AIR rank 28 in MCh Ent group and NEET SS 2025. Congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir.
And great to have you in the session. I thank you for sparing your valuable time to share your experiences with us and also the students who are watching this.
Thank you.
Great. Now, can we know a brief background about you, where you started till date, what all you have done?
Sir, my name is Dr. Vipin Kushwaha. I have done my UG from Chirayu Medical College, Bhopal. I have done my PG from MGM Indore, and right now, I'm working as a senior resident in GMC Bhopal.
Great, great. Very good as a GMC, SRS as GMC Bhopal. And
Yes.
now, interest for doing head and neck oncology started when for you? Who inspired you? Can you say something on that?
Um, Sir, when I joined ENT uh, as a specialty in during my PG years, uh, I know there is few branches in which we can pursue super specialty like neurosurgery. So initially, I wanted to do it in neurosurgery, but as I pursued and as I worked in ENT, I have developed an interest in head neck onco. That's why I just pursue, continue doing this head neck.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Now, can you tell us once you decided to do a super specialty, what all you did and how you prepared preparation strategy? Can you share to us?
Sir, as I was working as a senior resident in GMC Bhopal during my preparation also, so I got very little time to study for the NEET SS exam. Whatever time I got, during OPD or in OTs, I just switch onto the app and watch.
Kindly go ahead.
Yes. So and I started preparing at around August, and last year also I got 80 rank. And last year I just have read only Scott Brown, and I didn't opt for the app, and only at this year the app and notes were very well prepared, and his questions were beautifully framed, and his videos and explanations are very wonderful, and I have very big thanks to.
Excellent. He'll be happy listening to this video. We'll forward this video to him. He'll be very happy listening to these words. Thanks for appreciating it.
Thanks.
Great. So, can we know the number of questions you answered and what is about the paper all about?
So I have answered all the 150 questions, and attempted all 150 questions, and I got 410 marks.
Okay. Great. Doctor, what will be a message for the future aspirants of head and neck oncology?
So my message would be just keep dreaming, and don't just give up at even I am doing it, and there were days when I am down, but I just doesn't give up, and I just whatever time I have got, and I just put it. I did not achieve my targets every day, but I just uh, it's like a marathon. Actually, you cannot achieve it in one day, but one day you will reach there. So that's my motto. So my message to all the my fellow juniors, all those peoples, to just stay in it. You will achieve it one day.
Great. Superb. Excellent. Excellent. Now, time to thank and whom all you want to thank. You feel that stood by you, helped you from day one till date in your career. You can use the platform to do so.
I want to thank my parents, my brother, and all my family members, and a special thanks to for his wonderful teaching videos and caution whatever the Speed app has provided.
Great, doctor. And you're full of thankfulness and gratitude. Best wishes to you.
Thank
Once
you, sir. Sir, it's
again,
been a dream meeting sitting in front of you.
pleasure is mine. And
Always been a dream.
great. Thank
Thank
you. Thank you very much for being with us and being
you.
part of Speed and Speed family, our learning experience. Once again, we wish you all the very best and all the success for a great and amazing and wonderful and astonishing career in MCH Ent and Onco surgery. Best wishes to you, doctor.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.